I know, guys.
At 11 a.m. at Rochester Airport.
They're so
It
late.
was cloudy. Visibility 10 miles. Temperature was 67 degrees. Dew point 57. Wind was northeast at 6 miles an hour. And the pressure was 30.05 inches. It was cloudy with a temperature of 70 at Dodge Center. 60. The National Weather Service has just activated the warning alarm as a test. During dangerous weather situations, specially built radios are
Automatically activated to the impending hazard.
Tests of the warning alarm tone are normally conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the first good weather day. This warning alarm tone will be activated for watches, warnings, and selected statements affecting specific counties based on the transmitter you are listening to. For exact coverage areas, please check our internet homepage. Receipt of the warning alarm tone will vary at any given location, especially at greater distances from the transmitter and in large buildings. This concludes the weekly warning alarm test. We now return to our normally scheduled programming.
About time! 11:11.
Here is the forecast for selected sites along the Mississippi River as of 9 a.m. Wednesday. At Lake City, the forecast for Thursday is 7.5, Friday 7.6, and on Saturday 7.8. At Wabasha, the forecast for Thursday is 7.9, Friday 7.9, and on Saturday 8.0. At Alma Danforth, the forecast for Thursday is 5.4, Friday 5.5, and on Saturday 5.6. At Winona, the forecast for Thursday is 6.0, Friday 6.0, and on Saturday...
Do you hear that? What I caught?